ones. Okay, one is the budgetary policy. One is the budgetary policy. Clear? One is the budgetary policy. Budgetary policy means how you plan your resources. Okay, what is budget? It is a statement of your expenditures and receipts. Suppose you receive rupees 100 from Baba and you have to spend rupees 100. Okay, this will be written on the sides of receipts and this will be written on the sides of expenditure. So receipts में 100 rupees from Baba, expenditure 10 rupee for copy, 10 rupee for travel expense, 10 rupee for tea, and 50 rupee for recharge, mobile recharge. Okay, for studying online content. Okay, not for Telegram, Facebook, or not calling your nearer and dearer ones. Get the point? And also some other miscellaneous expenditure. Clear? So on one side you have your receipt, on another side you have your expenditure. This statement of your expenditures and receipts is called as budget. This is done at individual level. Now I am talking about at the government level. Government, in government we have Ministry of Finance, which plans our resources. Clear? So Ministry of Finance is a part of government. Okay, so budgetary policy is the prerogative of government. You get the point? New ones, are you getting it? Any doubt till this point? Okay, so this budgetary policy is also called as fiscal policy. Is also called as fiscal policy. Also some people read it like fiscal policy, but I don't. It is fiscal policy. Okay, why we call it fiscal policy? Because it is the planning for a complete fisc. Fisc comprises of 12 months. Okay, fisc, which means a financial year. Which means a financial year. So this policy is prepared by government for a complete fisc. That's why we call it fiscal policy. Fisc means a financial year. Financial year in India starts from 1st April to 31st March of next year. 1st April of this year to 31st March of the next year. And from 1st April, May, June, it will be quarter 1. July, August, September, it will be quarter 2. October, November, December, it will be quarter 3. January, February and March, it will be quarter 4. It means quarter 4 of every budget, every fisc is in the next year. That's why whenever we write the budget, we write it with 2 years. Like currently we are into 2023-24 financial year or 2023-24 fisc. Get the point? And in 2023-24 fisc, in which quarter we are today? We are in Q4 because we are already in January. Okay, and in Q4, this is the most crucial quarter of the financial year. Why? Because majority of the accounting processes go on in this year. Majority of the expenditures are also made in this year. Get the point? In this quarter, majority of the expenditures are made. Why it is done, I'll tell you in the